What's going on lately in this country? Would somebody please explain it to me? What's going on lately in this country? Would somebody please explain it to me? Hardship is a sudden change, or because they say to hold a tighter range. Is it unemployment or the economy that causing problems in the Barbadian society? Now tourists used to come here to have their fun. Are we no more the land of the sea and sun? They used to bring money to boost our economy and help our sugar industries. Now they don't come anymore. This place is getting corrupt. Dispute between the workers and government. So put some thought to what I say, Mr. Prime Minister. We're going down the ladder of disaster. To fight so hard to survive. His small salary just keeping him alive. Bills like water and the electricity. And most of us have a large family. Consumers protection is so bad, and taxation that will drive him mad. Would somebody big in authority find some way to double our salaries? When we walk into a supermarket, we cannot credit. It's pen and paper. We have to carry to check. If you don't do it that way, when you reach the cashier, some of them items you must leave there. This place is getting in a mess. I think we passed the best. Only the faith of God keeping us alive. So put some thought to what I say, Mr. Prime Minister. We're at the last